Hi everyone, my name is Azan Teslim, popularly known as Tessin. I'm a director, a movie producer, and an actor. I got something big for you tomorrow. The movie I directed, Overnight, drops tomorrow on YouTube. We showed this thing from the grind up, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it was grind. The tight budget, the long nights, unexpected setback. But we, the whole team, we push towards because we believe in the story. Every scene you will see is built on that struggle and that passion. I want you to be the first to watch it. So do me a favor, go to my studio cabin, subscribe, turn up your notification, and be ready when the movie go live tomorrow. Your support is what makes it possible for us to keep telling the story. Thanks for riding with us. See you tomorrow on the channel. Let's make Overnight one to remember. Let the countdown continue.